Hey, welcome to Terry's Model Rod Shop. This is just a quick little tip video. And what we're going to do, I'm going to show you different ways to hold parts when you paint them. And we'll start with this plain old sanding stick and some masking tape. And I got me a 60 Chevrolet truck I'm working on. You just wad up the masking tape, sticky side out, stick it on the tape, stick your part on there, and then you're ready to spray paint. And these are little clips that I got, just little roach clips that you get any hardware store, and a piece of coat hanger. And here's the tailgate, and since it's going to be hid down here when it goes on the body anyway, I glued a little piece of sprue on there. Then you clip it on and it's ready to paint, and keeps your hands fairly clean. And then tweezers, lock and tweezers come in pretty handy. I'll use a brake rotor off of a motorcycle I'm working on over here, and you just clip it on there and you're ready to paint it. Now don't worry about where it's clipped, because the rotor's going to be, their caliper's going to be black, and the rest of it's going to be hand painted with steel paint. So, and then this is my homemade body holder. It's just two coat hangers bent and shaped and put into a 2x4, and then you squeeze them together and put your body on there, and you're ready to paint. And that's all there is to it. Just a quick little tip about different ways to hold parts when you paint them. And that's it. Thanks.